Agradaa Agradaa. Unim said the Biarada. Me betana say ya. Me ka Agradaa honsem editor. And then I walk a catcher of Agradaa. Evangelist Mama Parts, Anna can your friend is Agradaa at the abet to just say. Yera Owusu Bempah I am the fraud partner. Just as Sika, Ayana, or they a man every Sika Gari mono. Young quite an uncle video, na sunny. Yama evangelist Mama Parts, to be at the money. Papa Owusu Bempah, me watch a young quite near video.
A bois. Sikana me de bra war. I was sorry no. Owusu Bempah. Any academy de ba ofie no. Owusu Bempah 200 million, 300 million, 500 million, 600 million. Ana me de ba ofie. Abesha wo Bible mu no. Eno so betua me kai. Also what me. Sai Jimmy semi ya. Just a bloggers boki. Enti wo so Jimmy for so. You call yourself a nation prophet. Their brothers eka. I will be able to move on Hufino. Who penny move judge was young penny, amobra. Also, I begin a becoming. Also, what me. Also, what me. And between me and you, would you say, and yet 10,000 and quarter of the abba or puppet so. Also, Papa, you know. Says he can't be a brow, a fear dear, and you this video. I have all the videos. I do a crowd say, Sika way, one family me, name what you bring me. Some boy, because they made the power, sorry, them, me the brain yame. That is why I put the money into the altar. Maybe for a book, I say. So when I come to your church and I give you offering, I am what I'm a demo, I am giving the money to God. By what you wait to me, and what about me pa, some me now you won't talk. If you ask me to charge you, some me charge you one. Cause me charge on ka me chia man charge me say me brand no so na me obeti me family and you give me $1,000 and the scanner me dia to internet no man fa nya adwuma ni nyina awie ebi wo ho and na wutimi and am say me dey beto wo adwuma no eso simple papa. So for you to go to your puppet and say I asumasi maybe asumasi maybe body asumasi and you Owusu Bempah osofo Owusu Bempah what some na me kai Olumai, respect yourself for us to respect you. There is no need for you to do this. Because between me and you, I have given you so many money. Sabena no abusumfie me wabusumfie mama usika bebre sika gali me no wana na ye over 5 money ona buka de japo ho no adu ho no akopa chew na me so every weekend no ma fie no ma be sales and no na ma me Uhuya meshi say juma ye na uju percentage kwasia and all the percentage awajiwo sika gali mono come and refund the money back to me. I simple for you to stand on your stupidity puppet to say so for the way to say you have given me the money me the papa for the papa wejimi for this word wejimi. You don't have to say this words. Because and yes, 10,000 I'm about property so and you know about fear. So if you want to refund every money to me, Papa, then you have so many money to pay me. Because Sika media brew is getting to 10 billion. Sika add the name a campo more a year Sika gali Sika media brew is getting to 10 billion. Also, Bempah, so if you are ready to refund any money that I have given to you, then you have to pay me more than 10 billion. Because Sikagari every week, let me says 200 million. 200 million every week, let me says 200 million. For you to protect me, a problem and to me. So if you are ready to refund every money back to me, Owusu Bempah, I am telling you, come and refund every money. Refund it back to me. And as somebody came, I am not lying. A radio catastrophically wow puppet. I would just know a bit me no me and untem asem. I don't say to baby na would see me no na bloggers matem many know because you use me for Sikakali for me to pay every percentage for you every month, every week. Every week we are not 20,000. Also remember every week.
Me pacho wan kasa we hu na evangelist Mama Parts. Na chese se obi ona kasa to nanimu aka se oye fraud dia. Ene na aban panyufo anasa police for dan na mo twen. Me patch for comment for bra na like na pia share for ma for so enhu na ekọ me din ade amansan chia me akwasi mensa aha aya attention ti